Mike Levitt here again. This is the second of a three-part series showing how to make a cardboard Air Jordan. Next we'll assemble the toe. First you need to condition the toe body front and the toe body top. Bend and curve these two pieces to shape around and over the toe. Fold and crease all the glue tabs inward. Grab a stapler if you have one. You're going to assemble the toe body front and top inside out, like you're stitching two pieces of fabric together. When the glued tabs are tacky, press them together with the toe body front and top still inside out. Staple the two ends of the glued tabs together. Now carefully turn the toe body back right side out. Your toe body is assembled and shoe body is glued to your insole. So the next thing to do is to put these things together. First, before applying any glue, dry fit them together to see how they fit. Apply glue to the toe body glue tabs and to the bottom of the insole, following the reference marks from my template. When the glue is tacky, slowly insert the front of the insole into the toe body while moving the tacky glue tabs into place. When everything's aligned, press the glue tabs in place. With the assembly flat on a table, reach inside the shoe to press the glue tabs flat onto the insole from the inside. Now we can glue the whole shoe body assembly to the sole. First, liberally apply glue to the top of the sole and to the bottom of the insole. Wait for the glue to get tacky, then lower the shoe body into position. Press the body onto the sole from inside the shoe. Make sure the outer edges are flush and aligned all the way around. You can use rubber bands to press and hold the body and sole in place while the glue makes its final set. Next, we're going to shape and condition the tongue. We have to make a couple stair-step shaped folds that follow the little dashed lines from my template. These folds help the tongue take shape in the shoe. Use a wood tool to help fold and crease these lines. After making these folds, bend and curve the entire tongue down its length like a long section of a round pipe or tube. Gluing the tongue in place is only tricky because of where you're applying the glue. First, dry fit the tongue in place so it's centered with the top of the tongue sitting high above the shoe body. Make pencil marks to remember where this should fit. Next, tip the shoe upside down to apply glue inside the upper toe body. Then apply glue to the lower tongue section outlined in my template. When the glue is tacky, press the tongue in place by reaching up inside the shoe to press against the bottom of the toe body. You can also use wadded paper to brace and hold the tongue in place while the glue finally sets. Well, you've built most of the shoe at this point. Honestly, that was the hardest part. The rest is all detail. Oh, okay, well, there's going to be 3 different pieces just to trim the sole. That's going to be hard. Well, get ready for it. See you in the third and final part of the video series.